Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Fidelity password without phone tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Fidelity password without a phone, begin by visiting the Fidelity website. Look for the login button on the home page. Click on it to access the login page. On the login page, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. You will be directed to a password reset page. Enter your username or email address associated with your Fidelity account. After entering your details, click the Continue button. Next, you will need to verify your identity. Choose a verification method available to you, such as answering security questions. If you do not have access to your phone, select the option for security questions. Answer the security questions accurately. After successfully answering the questions, you will be prompted to create a new password. Make sure your new password meets Fidelity's security requirements. Enter your new password and confirm it by typing it again. Once confirmed, click on the Submit button. Your password will now be reset. You can return to the Fidelity login page and log in using your new password. If you encounter any issues during the process, consider reaching out to Fidelity customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.